My biggest suggestion is to do more than looking at the online balance, because that's not going to tell you the whole picture, because there's, checks that you've written or maybe payments that you have scheduled that the bank doesn't know anything about yet. So taking it a step beyond that, and it is actually putting information together for accounting purposes. I use a software called Wave that's free.
Love
You can
it.
buy some upgrades like for payroll and different things, but the basic platform is free. And you can enter all of your income and your expenses. You can have your bank download the information into the software. I don't like to go that route because you don't have any control over what's coming in and maybe even know what it is. But you enter all of your stuff in there, and then you can get a really nice picture every single day, or as often as you put the information in, on where you are sitting. And so that's a really good place to start, is getting that together in some shape or form, so it's more than just the bank balance. On a software like Wave or QuickBooks, you can easily see like how much money you're spending on social media, because you categorize things. So you can say, oh my gosh, I just spent $10,000 on Facebook ads this year. I had no idea I was doing that. And you can decide if you want to back that off a little bit. A lot of my clients come to me and say, I don't make any money and I don't know why. And once we get all the information together and we look at that, then we can see that, yeah, you're spending a lot of money on these
Nacho
items.
fries.
Exactly, or Starbucks, I was going to say was going to be the common one. But yeah, they spend money on a lot of things that they don't realize they're spending on. And also, like, why don't you know that you made $10,000 or $20,000? Like, where did it all go? And when you get those numbers into some software, or work with an accountant that can get all that together for you, you know where the stuff is and you know where to put your focus box. I mean, because it's a lot easier to just throw that stuff in a box and not deal with it all year than it is to face it. And a lot of times we're scared to see, as I'm sure you can relate to, Dana, with money mindset, people are afraid to see what the numbers are. And just putting them away and not dealing with it makes it feel like it's just something they don't have to deal with right away. Because there's certain ways, a lot of times people don't track what kind of income. So if you're creating income from courses, from coaching, from low cost offers, categorizing those things separately is going to make it so that at the end of the year, anytime you can go in and look and go, well, gosh, my low cost offer is making me a ton of money. I need to put more effort in marketing that. Or my one-on-one coaching is where the dollars are coming from. I need to put my effort there. So categorizing everything the right way from the get-go makes it easier to see where you're spending and where you're making money. Plus, when it comes time for taxes, I know when I do clients set up and I also do their taxes, I set it up in the way that I want it for taxes. So then your accountant can grab the numbers without, sometimes I get people's stuff and I've got to, add 50 numbers together because they categorize things so strange. So having it, again, is going to save you money on the tax end if you've got things categorized in a way that goes along with your taxes, in a way that you can get some information from it, so it means something.